Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Can article writing help grow my affiliate program? Question. I just set up a new affiliate program and have heard I can write articles to promote it. How does this work? Signed, New Affiliate Manager. Dear New Affiliate Manager, don't even get me started on this one. I love this topic. If you're new to the concept of article marketing, you can write articles and share them with websites, blogs and newsletters. Well, it can help you in two ways. These publishers are hungry for content and will gladly publish your informative articles on their sites. Every time they do, your author bio, including your website URL and information about your website, is included at the bottom. See the bottom of this article to see how it works. What does this have to do with your affiliate program? Well, it can help you in two ways. First of all, you can write articles, and submit them to the article directories, which are basically libraries of free articles. Then when your articles are published, you'll get traffic and a portion of those visitors will buy your products and a portion will sign up for your affiliate program, both of which will help your business grow. Secondly, you can allow your affiliates to use these articles on their websites with one special alteration. Encourage them to replace your URL with their link from your affiliate program. The article becomes monetized so the publisher can make money simply by sharing it, and you will, too. Do you think your articles will be spread like wildfire by enthusiastic affiliates? Oh yes, much faster than you could spread the word alone. Think about it. The viral aspect of this type of marketing can grow your affiliate program exponentially. All it takes is some research, a little time and some hard work. The benefits? Priceless. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net